Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up MetaMask for USDC on Ethereum and Polygon, full guide step by step clearly. To set up MetaMask for USDC on Ethereum and Polygon, start by downloading the MetaMask extension from the official website or your browser's extension store. Once the download is complete, click on the MetaMask icon to open the extension. If you are a new user, select Get Started to create a new wallet. You will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it. Next, you will be given a mnemonic phrase, also known as a seed phrase. Write this down and store it in a safe place. Confirm that you have stored the seed phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. After this step, your wallet will be created, and you will see your MetaMask dashboard. To add USDC, ensure you are connected to the Ethereum network first. Click on the network dropdown at the top of the MetaMask interface. Select Ethereum mainnet from the list of available networks. Next, you will need to add USDC as a custom token. Scroll down and click on Import Tokens. In the Token Contract Address field, enter the USDC contract address for Ethereum, 0xA0B86991C6218B3. MetaMask should automatically fill in the token symbol as USDC and the decimal as 6. Click Add Custom Token, then click Import Tokens to finalize the process. Now, you are ready to use USDC on Ethereum. To set up MetaMask for Polygon, click on the Network dropdown again. Select Custom RPC to add the Polygon network. In the Network Name field, type in Polygon or any name you prefer. Enter the following details in the respective fields. For new RPC URL, use https://rpc-mainnet.matic.network. For chain ID, enter 137. For currency symbol, type MATIC. For Block Explorer URL, you can use https://polygonscan.com. Once everything is filled out, click Save to add the Polygon network. Now, switch back to your MetaMask dashboard and select the Polygon network from the dropdown. You will need to add USDC for the Polygon network as well. Repeat the process of importing a token by navigating to Import Tokens. In the Token Contract Address, input the USDC contract address for Polygon, 0x7F5C7646C23E2C7C823E2025. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.